Hi, my name is Crystal Lewis, and I am an apparel designer with 17 years of design experience and the CEO of Black Unicorn Merchandising. I specialize in helping brands take their ideas and turn them into bold realities. Whether that means cleaning up a tech pack, helping with fit, or sourcing a factory, Black Unicorn Merchandising is the design agency for the job. Before starting Black Unicorn, I had the pleasure of working with corporate leaders such as Hager, Mad Engine, and BioWorld Merchandising. I've managed entire design teams. I've helped with the entire product development process, and I know I can help you too. On UPWORK, I offer tech pack creation and revisions, fit evaluations and sample review, factory sourcing and production assistance, graphic design, and CAD design for apparel. Black Unicorn Merchandising has worked with both startup brands and established brands, ensuring their products are not just production ready, but also marketable. If you're looking for an experienced apparel design agency to help you bring your vision to life, let's chat. Send me a message and let's turn those ideas into bold realities.